English listening podcasts. Today, we talk about dating, but not dating with tricks, not dating with games, not dating with pressure. We talk about dating with calm power. Calm power is simple. It is clarity, respect, and presence. Many people date from fear. They fear being rejected. They fear being alone. They fear not being enough. So they try to perform. They try to impress. They try to win. And that creates a problem. Because when you perform, you are not present. And when you are not present, connection dies. So today, I will give you a different way, a calmer way, a stronger way. Let me tell you a small story. A person goes on a date. They want it to go well. They feel nervous, so they talk too much. They try to be funny. They try to look perfect. They ask, "Do you like me?" Not with words, but with energy. And the other person feels it. They feel pressure. Pressure is heavy, and neediness pushes people away. Now imagine the same date, but different. The person is calm. They breathe. They listen. They do not try to prove anything. They are simply curious. And the other person feels safe. That is calm power. Now, I want to give you two main ideas. Idea 1. Neediness pushes away. Clarity attracts. Neediness is when you need a fast answer. You need a reply, a sign, a promise, a guarantee. Neediness sounds like this. Why didn't you text? Are we okay? Do you like me? Where is this going? Too early, too much. Clarity is different. Clarity is calm. Clarity sounds like, I enjoyed today. I'd like to see you again. No pressure. If you want to, tell me. Clarity is honest, but it is not begging. Clarity says what you want, and it respects the other person's freedom. That is attractive, because it shows self-respect. Idea 2. Presence is the real skill. Most dating problems are attention problems. People are half there. They check their phone. They think about what to say next. They try to look cool. But presence is simple. You look, you listen, you respond. You ask real questions. You let silence exist. Silence is not danger. Silence can be calm. A strong person can sit in silence. A strong person does not rush. Now, here are 3 calm rules for dating. Rule 1. Be present. Keep the phone away. Make eye contact sometimes. Listen fully. When they speak, do not prepare your next line. Just listen, then respond simply. Presence makes you memorable. Rule 2. Ask better questions. Many dates die because questions are boring. How is work? What do you do? It's okay, but it's not enough. Try these 3 types of questions. 1. Story questions. What is a fun memory from your last year? What is something you learned the hard way? 2. Values questions. What do you respect in people? What matters most to you right now? 3. Future questions. What kind of life do you want in 2 years? What are you building these days? These questions create depth, and depth creates connection. Rule 3. Leave with dignity. This is important. You do not chase confusion. If someone is unclear, if they disappear, if they give mixed signals, do not run after it. You can do one calm move. You can say, "Hey, I liked meeting you. If you want to continue, I'm open. If not, it's okay. Take care." That is dignity, because your life is not a waiting room. Your time is valuable. Now let's talk about the message after the date. Many people overthink the text. They want the perfect line. Here is a simple, calm message. I had a good time today. I'd like to see you again. Are you free this week? That's it. No games, no long paragraphs, no pressure. If they like you, they will respond. If they do not respond, you still stay calm. Because calm power means, I want connection, but I will not beg for it. Now, I want to give you a mini plan for your next date. Mini plan, simple and real. Step 1. Set one intention. Before you go, say, today I will be present. Not, I must win. Not, I must impress. Just, I will be present. Step 2. Prepare 3 questions. 1 story question, 1 values question, 1 future question. Write them in your notes. Step 3. Leave with a calm ending. At the end, say one clear line. I enjoyed this. Thank you. If you want, I'd like to see you again. Then stop. Do not push. Leave with dignity. Now, a quick reminder. Dating is not an exam. It is a filter. You are not trying to be liked by everyone. You are trying to find a good match. So rejection is not failure. Rejection is information. It saves your time, and it brings you closer to the right person. Now, if you want, do shadowing with me. Repeat slowly. I am present when I talk. I listen more than I perform. I respect myself and the other person. I do not chase confusion. I choose clarity. I speak honestly. I stay calm. I enjoy the moment. I am enough. I walk away with dignity. And here is your challenge today. Have one real conversation. No performance, no pressure, just presence. If you want more calm episodes like this, subscribe and stay with me. Clarity, respect, calm power. See you in the next episode.
If you're here, there's a reason. Subscribe and stay with us. We help you learn English differently. Find your path.